Smart work zones have been shown to increase the safety and movement of traffic on Texas roads. These work zones have become more common on road projects, but there are questions about why some areas have benefited more than others. The Texas Department of Transportation and the Texas A&M Transportation Institute investigated how implementation and maintenance can influence smart work zones and what processes can be improved and changed on future designs.
Smart work zones have been shown to be a very effective way of improving both safety and mobility in work zones. But to do so, they have to be put out where they are most needed. They have to be designed properly, procured properly, operated, and maintained. And so this project was designed to investigate what TxDOT needed to do to increase the effectiveness of their smart work zone utilization.
This project was great. It did look at all smart work zone technologies, but it really focused on end-of-queue warning systems. We have these queues that might develop because maybe we have a lane closure or a lane reduction. When we utilize these end-of-queue warning systems, it absolutely reduces severe crashes that happen in work zone queues.
We did a bit of some operational and safety analysis of deployments to see how effective they were.
The fact that we've shown that these smart work zones can reduce severe crashes and save lives meant that we had to implement it successfully. So part of it, understanding how it has been implemented, was the ability to go out there and interview the right people at TxDOT and to review the information that was collected on the road on the projects.
Rural districts are struggling a little bit with how do you design them, what steps, when do I decide when to use them, and those kind of things. So I think the biggest finding was by incorporating these recommendations into their workflows, the use of smart work zones are going to be more effective across the state, not just in the urban areas.
We're definitely in the implementation phase, so we're going to see more implementation of this technology across TxDOT. But more exciting than that is to even think outside of work zones. We think we have the technology now to take it to the next step, to basically create an all-in-one unit that we can deploy, whether that's for special events, emergency situations, winter weather operations that TxDOT conducts, things like that. So we're definitely thinking ahead there.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.